Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Those who are here, guys, thank you so much for your support. Those who are watching and have not yet subscribed, guys, I would encourage you to please do so. Hit the notification bell and you can also like, share, and comment. Okay, the ingredients for this recipe will be in the description box. So if you're ready, guys, let's get started. So I have some rice, onions, ground meat, mushrooms, some parsley, green onions, and of course my bell peppers are main ingredient for this dish. I have some cream cheese, some garlic. So what we will do is slice the top of the bell pepper completely off, remove the seeds, and you're left with a beautiful bowl. So to my pan, I will be adding about 2 tablespoons of oil. Add my diced onion. Allow this to cook until it is nice and translucent. Then I'll go in with my ground meat. Add some habanero peppers and some of my bell peppers. Now I'll be going in with my diced mushrooms, and I'm using baby Bella mushrooms, some parsley, green onions, and my chicken bouillon, black pepper, and give that a good stir. Make sure everything is nice and combined, and my crushed tomatoes, and that is basil and garlic tomatoes. Now I'm adding some rosemary and some dry basil also, a little bit more green onions and parsley, some salt, red pepper flakes. Give that a good stir. Taste. Now I'm adding some marinara sauce, and that is roasted garlic marinara sauce. Cover and allow to cook for about 35 minutes. Now I'm going in with my cream cheese. Guys, this adds a really good creaminess and richness to this dish. The filling is so flavorful. Now I will be adding some beans. Now this is optional, all right? You don't have to. I love to add beans, and now I'm going in with some rice. This acts as a binder, and this is actually a hearty meal. Meat, beans, and rice. You can't go wrong. Give that a good stir. Taste, make sure everything is, flavorful. You can adjust your seasoning here if you like. Now we remove. Okay, so now you can add some cheese and stir that within the rice. This is one cheesy, hearty, delicious filling. You can also eat as is. So now it's time for us to stuff our peppers. Make sure to add a good amount in there. Be generous with the filling. So now we will go in with our cheese and bake until the cheese is melted. And there it is, guys. Our beautiful, delicious bell peppers. Stuffed bell pepper, that is. I hope you guys do enjoy this video. If you do, guys, please let me know in the comment section. Again, if you have not yet subscribed, I would encourage you to please do so. Thank you guys so much for your support. Enjoy. Bye-bye.